안녕하세요. Di Shandepnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today I'm unboxing my Sephora Play bag for April 2018. I'll leave all the information down below about Sephora Play. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I did get this bag in February. I loved it. I did not get one in March because I had to update my card and it charged the old card. So therefore I didn't get it, and I was in my feelings about it because I really liked the bag. It was all about music festivals. That was the theme. So I'm kind of mad and in my feelings about that. I still am. Anyway, I won't pout about it anymore. But anyway, let me go ahead and get started. This is my Sephora Play bag. And the theme is Make It Snappy, which means, you know, I'm not sure if that's like pictures or Instagram Make It Snappy or Snappy Hurry Up and let's get these selfies going on, Make It Snappy. Comes with this little green satchel tie here. With Sephora Play, we always get 50 Beauty Insider points. Looks like that. You can go into the store and you can, you know, buy something and earn points for it, all right? So, again, Insta Beauty. This is what the pamphlet looks like, if you can see that. It tells us everything that we have inside of here. Can you guys see? And this is the other side, which tells you some information too. Can you see? See? Alrighty. So I may refer to this. Alright, so do they tell you prices on here? They don't tell you prices, but they do tell you how to use the items that you get. So that's what I love. So I may be referring back to this. I'll set you there in case. All right, so let's get started here. Let's open up the baggie. And the first thing I got is, I got a My Burberry blush perfume. Love it. I love Burberry perfume. Okay, so one of my favorite perfumes is Burberry Brit Sheer. Love that scent. I have that scent in my scent bird. I love it. Whoa. I also have Burberry, the regular Burberry. It's a little strong. A little bit strong. I like it. It's just strong. But anyway, I digress. This is what the little sample looks like. This is what the bottle looks like. And I think perfume bottles are so pretty. If you collect perfume bottles or perfume in general, leave a comment down below and let me know, because perfume bottles are just, they're so gorgeous. They're gorgeous. I don't know how else to explain it. They're gorgeous. My mother used to have perfume bottles and collect perfume and perfume bottles all the time. I miss my mama. Anyway, I digress. Let's keep on going. From Sephora, I have a mini contour eye pencil, 12-hour wear, and it's waterproof. That is what it looks like right there in the little packaging. And the color that I have, what color are you, honey? You are number 33, Love Affair, I believe is the color. Love Affair? Has to be. Alright, so here are some of the colors that they have in this pencil down here. This is some of them. It starts from black and it goes all the way down. It looks like to that brown. See that? And then on the other side, look at that. There's even more color. So this eye pencil comes in a wide variety of colors. Ooh, look at that bright blue right there. Honey, gorgeous. Look at the green one too. Those two are nice. Nice. All right. Happy to get that. All right, let's keep on going. In here I have, what are you? This is from It Cosmetics. Love It Cosmetics. This is the Airbrush Silk Pressed Anti-Aging Finishing Powder. This is the Bye Bye Pores Press. It makes your pores disappear. That is what it looks like right there. The Bye Bye Pores. I love It Cosmetics. They're very good products. Here's the other side here. Tells you more information about the Bye Bye Pores. Can I open you up? Let's see here. Can I open you? I can't. It comes with, oh cute. It comes with a little spongy thingy. And this is what the powder looks like. Little sample of it. It looks like there, as you can see. So it is just a finishing powder. Nice. Like I said, It Cosmetics is nice. If you have not tried the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, perfect. Love that. That is such a good product. All right, let's keep on going. I have in here from Buxom, I have the Plump Up the Volume. Looks like it is a full-on plumping lip polish in the color Celeste. That's what it looks like on the side here. And this is what the back looks like. It's like a nude color, Celeste is. Let's see if I can open it because, y'all, since I put these nails on, the struggle is real. And I can't, okay, there it is. I had to rip it to get it open, though, because with these nails on, honey, the struggle is real. Oh, that's pretty. This is what it looks like inside of there. All the information that it has. Ooh, baby. This is, hold on, let me see if I can get it out. Because this is pretty. Ooh, it's got sparklies in it. Oh my God, look at that. You probably can't see it, but it does have sparklies in it. And let's see, do you smell like anything? Ooh, it smells like vanilla. That's what it looks like. Can you guys see that? Oh, my camera's not focusing right, but it's like a sheer color. This would be good as a topper, I think. And it's like a pinky peachy color. Very, very pretty. I'm happy with that. Happy, happy, happy. Joy, joy, joy. All right. Couple more things, guys, and we're done. All right. From Dr. Brandt. Yes, we have the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Anything by Pores No More is nice. Anything by Dr. Brandt is a good thing. Because this stuff is uber expensive. But dad blasted, it works. I have this in a full size. Nice to get a travel size so I can take it with me when I go on my trip this summer. And last but not least, I have from Sephora the Instant Moisture Plush Cream with Hyaluronic Acid Booster. And that is what that looks like there. And there is the other side. So let's recap. That's everything, by the way, in my Sephora Play Bag. Make it snappy. All right, let's go ahead and recap. I have the Sephora Instant Moisture Plus Cream, which looks like that there. I also have from Dr. Brandt the Pores No More Luminizer Primer in a nice little travel size. There. I also have from Sephora the Contour Eye Pencil 12-Hour Wear. Looks like that. And I believe this color is, it's number 33. And I want to say number 33 is Love Affair. But on the back here, it says number 33 is Plum, so I don't know. It's either Love Affair or Plum, y'all. Not sure. I'm excited about this. The My Burberry Blush perfume sample. Burberry. You cannot go wrong with Burberry. I love Burberry Brit Sheer. If you haven't tried Burberry Brit Sheer, just go smell it. It smells so good. Perfect for the spring. But I digress. Buxom, I got this lip gloss here, the Plump Up the Volume. So this one will have like plumping. It's gonna make your lips plump. What? It comes in 100 shades, 100 shades, y'all. This comes in 100 shades. So you can get any color you want. And I like this. I like this, like this, like this. And then we got, last but not least, from It Cosmetics, the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. All right, looks like that. All right, guys, and that's everything in this month's Sephora Play Baggie for April 2018. Make it snappy. All right, guys, that's it. I like everything that I got in this bag for this month. Can't wait to see what I get for next month. And by the way, if you get this, let me know what you got because everything is going to be different because depending on what you put on your profile, the products are going to be different from what I got. And I like to see and what everybody else got in their Sephora Play Bag as well. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. When I reach that threshold, there will be a giveaway. The details will be coming when I reach that threshold. All right? All right, so again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers. Thank you for leaving comments. And I'll talk to you later. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나